Hello, Philippines. Changmalaya, ani ngargong ki tusum dele shue yin tangbudila. Antarin dele ngi nyindung tindu chi jembi mashunyen la. Ani nganzu ki ta Toronto chidun choba dan dewe ki ani ngaranzu ki tarindi ki nanglaya ani chunga tujin ki ani sungji di kande chungyume ki ngi tokto chishuyin rwa. Di nangla ten chowo di ta nganzu gabop yongwa chigla ya nganzu ki ta Toronto ki ani chidun choba di ya kanji chundiling se di ta shenla mewe ki tanda padu nganzu cha tsubu yakbo dindi chik chungyo ra tarindila ya mi nidong sile ta mi kubkya madani hol koran la pet koran 강체 국가 단동안도 트럭 칙 단다 스트레이트 트럭 레그로 딘데직 양교 이야체 아니 딘데기 내단 차디요레 땅 아란주기 유밀 때와이나 아란주기 필리핀다 디게기 따데 차레나니 당란 차레나니 참마 꿀레 갸탄다 아니 당랑바 셰프슈 디즈게 참마 꿀레 갸탄데 니 롭스롭스 디날 루이로 나머지 시다 수르도로 간다 tarindilaya ngaranzu ngune kono pombo-ta ngaranzu ki ngate ki nanglaya cheri cheze tarindilaya chama dendi shutuyore nge dinan rops tungre kyananzu jegiri rwa kanda nganzu ngune gabo biwachi che digi gangla nganzu tandu seshe di pombo khalaya ngaranzu ki dadi kare tangayore silawa ina ta chozo lagi pese u sungure nge dinan chazan shayo chozo lagi speech di rwa sonumlanga lagi pombo chiri chezele ta maombala tandoyo ngaranzo ki ta pombo mangbuji tenang shuk chimbuleji chadeyo nganzo ki chizo ki nanglaya yungyeegi ani ingda masona shuk chimbu shiuji ledi sha tsowa mangbuji dindiki nganzo powa yuwa jigi ta ngaranzo Toronto tandapatu dindiki yore shue nambazo changmalani ngegi nyendung di ropsi sirochi pombo chega susuledu digna 차장 모드 슈여레 안디 까마 종아 니슈디 넘버 0 나 슈에 창말 토리체
Great success, his well-being is a source of immense relief and happiness to all his well-wishers around the world. As we celebrate his birthday every year, I believe that the best birthday gift we could offer to His Holiness is to practice the 4 key commitments to His Holiness Dalai Lama. Firstly, the cultivation of universal human values such as compassion, forgiveness, tolerance, and contentment. Secondly, religious harmony, a belief that the world religions have the same potential to create a good human being. Thirdly, the preservation of Tibetan language, culture, and religion. And fourthly, revival of the ancient Indian tradition, which means admiration towards Indian ancient knowledge. All the 4 commitments are interconnected, where if we practice one of the 4 key commitments, we would be contributing to all 4 commitments. Here at the Tibetan Kenyan Cultural Center, we do this by working to preserve Tibetan language, culture, and religion, and it reflects in our motto, preserving our past and building our future. The 12th General Assembly of the Asian Buddhist Conference for Peace, which was held in New Delhi on 17th and 18th of January 2024, unanimously declared His Holiness the Dalai Lama to be a universal supreme leader of the Buddhist world, in recognition of his long-time contributions in bringing closer the Buddhist communities and strengthening a sense of oneness of humanity. President of the NGOs, students, visitors from the United States, Europe, and individuals working at your own capacity. I welcome you all today on this auspicious occasion. With this, I would like to introduce and welcome our chief guest, Ontario Minister of Citizenship and Multiculturalism, Member of Provincial Parliament, Honorable Mr. Michael Douglas Ford. Minister Ford is attending today's event on behalf of the Honorable Premier of Ontario, Douglas Robert Ford. Thank you, Mr. Ford, for being here with us today. Our second chief guest I would like to introduce and welcome is Deputy Chief of Police Robert E. Johnson. Along with the Deputy Chief of Police, we also have Inspector Jack Bangle. Detective Surgeon Lama Jodon. Surgeon Tenzin Sirene. And Surgeon Steve Larry. Thank you all for your service to the people of Toronto. Along with the chief guests, we have special guest, Jose Jimerupache from India. And Honorable Mayor Oliver Chow will be joining us a little later at the cake cutting ceremony. Now we have following guests of honor: Minister of Justice, Attorney General of Canada, Member of Parliament for Cocktail Haifa, former Chair of Parliamentary Affairs of Tibet, Honorable Mr. Arif Kurani. Parliamentary Secretary to the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of Canada, Member of Parliament for Etobicoke Lakeshore, current Chair of Parliamentary Affairs of Tibet, Honorable Mr. James Maloney. We also have a former Senator and longtime friend of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Tibet, Honorable Mr. Consuelo Dinino. City Councilor for Etobicoke Lakeshore, Honorable Miss Amber Rowley. Okay, so Mr. Broadcast, we have our pro bono counsel of TCCC CTAO, Mr. Phil Torte. We also have a great supporter of TCCC, Mr. Edward and Madam Pauline. And they support us all the time. So far, they have donated over 6 to 7 vans for us. And each time they come here, they come with a check, and I feel very embarrassed sometimes. Thank you. Thank you. And we have a president of Asian Canadian Multicultural Council, Dr. Tulsi Darrell. And Dr. Tulsi, a good thing to have a Minister of Multiculturalism here as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please give our dear friends of Tibet a big round of applause. Thank you. In closing, I would like to add that if we want to contribute more than our individual efforts in fulfilling the 4 commitments, we must then help those who do not have the freedom to do so, especially for those who are in Tibet. Recently, both the Canada and the United States government have passed motions showing support for Tibet's right to self-determination. The Canadian House of Commons unanimously passed a motion brought forward by Bloc Quebec's MP Alexia Brunel-Duceppe. Tibet's right to self-determination on June 10, 2024. The motion refers to Tibet as people and a nation, with the right to choose their own social, economic, cultural, and religious policy, including the selection of the next Dalai Lama. So thank you to the Canadian House of Commons and MP Alexis Duceppe. Similarly, on June 12, 2024, the U.S. government has passed a bipartisan bill resolved at Tibet to enhance U.S. support for Tibet and promote dialogue between the People's Republic of China and the Dalai Lama towards a peaceful resolution of the long-standing dispute between Tibet and China. Senator Mark Milley said, "The people of Tibet deserve to be in charge of their own future, and today, Congress has voted to stand with Tibetans in their struggles for freedom and self-determination." On behalf of the Tibetan community here in Ontario, I would like to thank Canada's House of Commons and the U.S. government for their continued support. Finally, please accept my sincerest gratitude for supporting the Tibetan Canadian Cultural Center. I wish you all an enjoyable day today, celebrating His Holiness the 89th birthday. Thank you and persevere.
Nicely.
So, I know it may not be certain yet, but how long do you think it might take to, I guess, get that part?
I think it would be as long as consider it's also non-economic issues because we offered to see if it is economic solution, but the film society has a financial needs, so it's not something that needs specific help.
That's all I wanted to ask.
Okay,
Thanks
great.
so much. Okay, have a great day.
Thank you.
I hope you can feel that spirit in this room. I am to come and cut that birthday